Welcome to the Racing to Success Minute with Nadine Lajoie. What to do when you feel discouraged about your business. When I feel like that, the exercise that I really suggest you to do is to make a list of 10 different things in your business that you are grateful for. Being grateful is always bringing more abundance, more money, and more success. So that's why when you are not feeling right about your business, you are not sure if you are on the right path, or you don't know what to do next, just be grateful and make a list, and that will probably bring you some more creativity to bring more success. Please visit our website at nadineracing.com.